So today we are back in our showroom. It's minus temperatures outside, hence why I'm wearing my coat. But we have just finished installing this display here. We've got lots of new things, lots of new features about this. So in today's video, I'm going to be talking you through this. Okay, so where to start with this one? This is really exciting for us because this is something that we've created in-house from scratch. We've designed it from scratch. You'll notice, if you go onto Pinterest, if you go online, there's lots and lots of kitchens that have that cedar batten finish. It's a really, really popular finish. It looks really cool. It looks really contemporary and modern. So we decided we would create something like that in here that we can show to our customers, something that our customers can have in their gardens. So what I'll do, I'll start with the units themselves. So we have, or we create our own range of kitchens here that are completely waterproof. They're completely resistant to the outside. They're perfect for outside. They don't twist, they don't warp. We can spray them any color you like. We can make them any size, any shape. They can house any appliance you like. So they're completely bespoke, completely customizable, which is really, really good. If you've got like a little awkward space in your garden that you want to fill, we can fill that perfectly. So for this one, obviously we're governed by the amount of space that we've got here. So one of the biggest things about doing this kitchen as well was the fact that we are partnered up with Traeger. So we are able to offer our customers these Traeger wood pellet grills, which are absolutely incredible. So I will do a separate video, like a review of this Traeger on how it works and all the benefits of that. But just to say that the Traegers have always been a trolley barbecue. So it sits on a trolley, and you sit there with your cut and you can barbecue. It's never been able to be installed or built into an outdoor kitchen. So Traeger have just come out with the Timberline series. You've got the Timberline and you've got the Timberline XL wood pellet grills. Now these have been sort of advertised as that they are for an outdoor kitchen, but they do come on a trolley. And when Traeger say it goes into an outdoor kitchen, it's literally that your kitchen would come up to here and stop, come up to here and stop, and then you would just wheel the Traeger in. For me, that's not completely built in. Built in is where it sits into the worktop. The front of the kitchen is all completely, the same material. So that is what we've done here with a bit of head scratching and this, that, and the other. We've now managed to... Hello, mate. Sorry about that. DPD delivery just arrived. Had to go and take that. So back to here. So built it. So we a lot of head scratching, banging our heads against the wall, but we figured out a way to build this in. So this, as far as I'm aware, and I've scoured the internet, is the first Traeger that's actually been properly built into a kitchen. We have actually just recently completed a kitchen up in Oxford where we've done the same thing. We've built it in. I'll show you some pictures up here. We'll be doing a video of the build of that soon, so keep an eye out for that. So with this kitchen, let's start down this side here. So we've got a double unit here. So this double unit is it's a double unit that's bespoke made to hold the Traeger. So you can see underneath you've got lots of storage. That we haven't actually got a back panel in there at the minute, but there would, if this was in a customer's house, it would have a back panel on there. The Traeger you do need power for, so this now gives you access underneath here to the power switch, and this is also the lever that comes out that allows any pellets to come through. Again, I'll do a video on the Traeger and how that works and everything else. So you've got plenty of storage underneath there. You can keep all your wood pellets and all those sorts of things. Like the Traeger runs on wood pellets. So we'll show you some pictures of those. The Traeger Timberline series also comes with this induction hob as well. So this is a brilliant piece of kit, and this is properly built in as well. We've cut a hole into the worktop and you just drop it in like that. So that, again, I will review that with the Traeger when we do that. But that gets super, super hot really, really quickly. You can get cast iron trays and things like that for going on there, for searing steaks, stuff like that. Underneath there, we have another cupboard purely for storage. Well, yeah, you can keep whatever you want. You can put shelves in there, keep whatever. So you'll notice that all of the units have all been sprayed white, and we've got this cedar battens on the edge, which gives us in what they call like a hit and miss style. So you've got the batten gap. It looks really, really cool, really contemporary. On the end here, you've just got a pull-out bin. So bins are really, really handy when you've got an outdoor kitchen. You're constantly having to have like a kitchen roll, packets of sausages, things like that. It's always waste. So really, really handy to have one of those. Something that's brand new for us, and a company that we've been working with recently, is a company called Concretion. So they do concrete worktops. So we thought this would look amazing if we could use some of their worktops in here to show our customers. So these worktops are, so generally with concrete worktops, they are so heavy. So this is 50 mil thick. It's about 900 mil wide. This piece here weighs 120 kilos, and the way that they've made it is that they use like a 20 mil of solid polished concrete all the way around, and then the rest of it they fill with I can't remember what it was called. Hello, mate. Okay, another DPT delivery. It's one of the pitfalls of working in your showroom. You just never know when people are going to turn up and deliver things. Anyway, so I was talking about these concrete worktops. So yeah, like I say, they have 20 mil of solid polished concrete all the way around, and then they infill it with, I think it's, I can't remember, it's like some sort of fiber cement or something like that, but it's very lightweight. So, you know, where it's this piece here weighs 120 kilos. If that was solid, it would probably be over 250 kilos to lift that. So the logistics of getting that onto site, fitting in place, is really difficult. But with this system, it works really well, and you still got that polished concrete finish. So you can see here that we've got it along here, and we've also built these waterfalls down the side. Now I'm a real big fan of having the kitchens inset with waterfalls like that. I just think it adds a whole like new dimension to the kitchen where everything is inset. It looks really, really good. These worktops are available in 4 different colors. I think you've got gray, white, there's a smoke color, another one. Luke, who owns Concretion, he also sent me a picture the other day of one that they've done, which he said they'd acid wash, so it looked like it's got like a real bronze shiny feel. I'll leave a picture up here. It looks really, really cool. So there's lots of different options with the concrete worktops, completely bespoke, and you can have them to any shape, any size you like. So there we go. This is our new sort of range that we're going to be offering our customers. Hopefully you've enjoyed watching this video. If you have any questions about this kitchen or any other kitchens, any barbecues, any pizza ovens, make sure you leave a comment below or just contact us. We'll leave all of our details in the link below. If you want to see more videos like this, make sure you subscribe to the channel and hit the alert button. We try and post these videos at least once a week. We also have Facebook, we have Instagram, so head over there and give us a follow. We post on there a lot more often as well. So thanks very much for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.